Hey there, ice cream enthusiasts! Who doesn't love a cold, creamy scoop of ice cream on a hot day? Or any day, really? It's the perfect treat. Let's find out how this delicious dessert is made in a factory. Get ready for a sweet journey. We're going behind the scenes at a real ice cream factory. Imagine giant machines mixing, freezing, and packaging your favorite flavors. It's quite a sight. First things first, we need a recipe. Ice cream starts with a few simple ingredients. The key to amazing ice cream? Fresh and high-quality ingredients, of course. We start with milk and cream from Happy Cows. This gives ice cream that creamy texture we all know and love. Next up is sugar, for sweetness and flavor. Then comes a pinch of salt. Don't worry, it won't make your ice cream taste salty. Instead, it brings out all the other delicious flavors. Now here's where the magic happens. These simple ingredients are about to go on an adventure to become the frozen treat we crave. The factory is where the real fun begins. Our first stop in the factory is the mixing room. It's like a giant kitchen. Large stainless steel vats stand ready to mix our ingredients. The milk, cream, sugar, and salt are poured into these vats and blended together. Giant metal paddles do the mixing, ensuring everything is combined perfectly. This mixture is called the ice cream base. It's still a liquid at this point, but it's well on its way to becoming the frozen treat we love. From here, the ice cream base is ready for the next exciting step: freezing. Section 4. Freezing fun. From liquid to creamy delight. Hold on to your hats, because things are about to get chilly. The ice cream base travels to a giant freezer. Here, the mixture is churned and frozen at the same time. Churning means the mixture is constantly stirred as it freezes. This is what gives ice cream its smooth and creamy texture. Without churning, we'd end up with a block of ice instead of delicious ice cream. As the ice cream base freezes and churns, something magical happens. Tiny ice crystals form, making the mixture thicker and thicker. The more it churns, the smoother and creamier it gets. But wait, where does the flavor come in? Section 5. Scoops of joy. Packaging and enjoying ice cream. While the ice cream churns, it's time to add the best part: flavor. From classic vanilla and chocolate to exciting flavors like strawberry cheesecake and cookie dough, the possibilities are endless. The chosen flavor is added to the churned ice cream base and mixed in thoroughly. Imagine a river of chocolate swirling into the creamy vanilla. Once the flavors are perfectly blended, the ice cream is ready for its final destination: packaging. Machines fill containers with the creamy goodness. Lids are sealed tight to keep the ice cream fresh. Finally, the containers are labeled with their delicious flavors. From the factory, these containers are shipped to your local grocery stores and ice cream shops, ready for you to enjoy.